Hello guys, and this nachu. Today's word is help. The verb to help in Amharic is merdat. Meredat. That means to help. Merdat. If you want to say help me to a guy, you can say erdaኝ. 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 And then to a girl, you can say erጂኝ. 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 Erdaኝ to a guy and erጂኝ to a girl. And if it's a group of people, you can say erduኝ. 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 Erdaኝ, erጂኝ, and erduኝ. So I guess to make it a full sentence, እባክህ, እባክሽ, and እባካችሁ means please. So if you want to say please help me, you can say እባክህ እርዳኝ, እባክሽ እርጂኝ, and እባካችሁ እርዱኝ. እርዳኝ, እርጂኝ, and እርዱኝ to say help me in Amharic.